Hi, this is for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here, just to activate the silent mode, we should switch sound to the mute one. Now let's just check, and we can see that when the silent mode is activated, the ringtones, notifications and all of the system sounds, they are muted. Now let's just turn off the silent mode by switch it to the sound one, and we can see that they are just ringing. So also get one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here you should find the sound icon. Just click twice to the sound icon. Now it's switched to the mute one, and this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn it off, just click only once on the mute icon and it's automatically switched to the sound one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.